Quick update on CTX here. So looking first at the monthly candles here, just wanted to kind of see where we're holding up on the much more macro chart. And you can see off of this wick holding the high to the low 382 here. It's looking good. I mean, it's holding up. That wick looks very bullish. We're forming another wick on the monthly candles here. So this 210 area, if we go back down to the weekly chart here, you can clearly see it's not, respecting it to a T, but it is holding at this level. That's why I zoomed out to that monthly chart there. So as long as we're holding on to pretty much where we are right now, we're at 209. We could even speculate and say even down to about we'll say $2. So $2 up to 210. As long as you're holding this area here, then there is a good chance on the larger time frame you're holding, and you would move up to the 0.5 here off of those giant wicks on that larger time frame, of course. So if we hold, we should move up about 42%. The next big stop is the 0.5 at 297, and then we'll just kind of take it from there. Other than that, here on CTX, we did make a new chart a couple of updates ago. Of course, we know it broke the uptrend, back tested it, hit the 618, came down. So what we want to see here on CTX is holding here and then some follow through up to that 0.5, and then above that, of course. And if we want to get more technical, drawing a fib from the high to the low here, you can see we're right below the 236 at about 216. So if we can get over 216 and then about 276, that would break the structure we have here. Of course, that being the lower highs and the downtrend here. So that's what we want to break. So couple of things to watch here, but if you are like me bullish on CTX for this cycle, it doesn't really matter the price is too much. This potentially could be the bottom. If we also draw a fib from the low to the high here, you can see we're right above the 618 still at 175 here. So if you cannot get over 210 here, then there is a chance the price would come back down to 175 and you would drop about 15% here. So just keep that in mind. But like I said, it's not respecting it as much as we would like, but we do have some prices to kind of go by here. But as I said, on the larger time frame, this one's going to get a little too long on me. You can see that it is holding up and it looks extremely well here off of these two monthly candles on CTX. So with all that being said, where is CTX going to end up in this cycle? Now we're going to zoom back out. We're going to go to our targets here and our prices going from where we are today, pretty much holding that 382 on the macro fib here. We're just going to start at the top where it is. If you think this thing can hit all the way up to $500, a $3.5 billion market cap, and about a 252x on your investment, if you think it can hit this market cap here from where it is right now. I believe they are still slowly putting some out into circulation. It's not a lot, but it will slightly change the outcome of these market caps at some point. Now, if you think it can hit about $78, that is a 520 million market cap, so $500 million. That's going to give you a very good 38x on your investment for that $500 million market cap. I think that's very possible. And then to be more conservative, another target here, 43 at the 1414, a 286 million, a decent 20x out of your investment. And if it only makes a new high here on our Coinbase chart, up to a 189 million market cap, up to about $28, that's going to give you a good 13x on your investment. So not a bad one here for CTX. A lot of good prices to kind of watch for this thing to move and take profit at this cycle. So with that being said, what are your thoughts? None of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.